Hi there, this is Adam Jones. Welcome to the UMS YouTube channel. I hope you guys are well. There are going to be lots of videos coming throughout the year. It's January, we're in Düsseldorf, we are at Boot Düsseldorf, and we're really excited to be on the stand with EK Marine, our German partners, with some amazing UMS boats to have a look around. I'm going to give you a quick look around the stand so you can see what we've got here. There will also be individual videos of each boat, so if you're really interested in one specifically, check out the channel for those videos. Like and subscribe. As always, there will be plenty more to come throughout the year. So, like I said, we're on 3C 32.6 in Hall 3 here at Boot Düsseldorf, and the first two boats that you'll see on the stand are this wonderful UMS 585 DC Travel, which is fitted out really nicely for a day on the water with the family. You've got a lovely U-shaped seating area which can be infilled into a massive sun pad on the front of that 585. Two seats behind the console, full beam bench seat, and ability to tow and do wake sports on the back. This particular model is powered by a 100 horsepower Yamaha. And again, if you haven't seen a UMS, it's all about weld quality. These are made out of 4mm aluminium, fully welded construction right the way throughout the boat. So all of your handrails, all of your cleats are fully welded. There is very little that can rattle on a UMS. Now, in front of me here, we've also got a 425cc. This is a really interesting little platform and a great boat for getting out on the river, getting out doing some inshore sea work as well. A lovely center console position with loads of storage in front of this seat. A lovely bench seat, again with storage in front. Plenty of space for moving about on board. Some storage at the front for anchors, lines and fenders, that sort of thing. And pushed along by a 15 horsepower Yamaha. This is a really cool, again, very solidly made aluminium boat that will get you out on the water having some fun. Now, as we come through the stand, we've also got a 700 HT from UMS. This is a boat that, again, I'm super impressed with. We've seen loads of people coming to the stand looking at these for the first time. They are fully welded. They are built like bomb shelters. They're so good on the water. And the 700, 800 and 865 are great examples of these hard top versions, which a lot of people are using like camper vans on the water. You can get all of your family on board, all of your equipment, go out for an adventure. You can turn the inside into a bed. You've got cooking facilities, toilet, all packed in to a boat that is designed to take you anywhere. Now, this one on the left-hand side of me is the last boat on the stand. It's the 865, and it is just an unbelievable vessel. You really need to come and see it to experience this boat, and the guys at EK Marine have obviously got access to this one, so if you'd like to come and see a 700 HT or an 865, get in contact with those guys or your local UMS dealer, or come see us over the next few days at Boot Düsseldorf. We'll speak to you soon.